What if I told you there's a new AI system that can fly a real airplane better than a human pilot? Not in a simulator, in real life. This AI uses cameras, sensors, and machine learning to see everything around the plane. It processes weather, wind, and aircraft behavior thousands of times per second, reacting faster than any human ever could. In tests, the AI handled turbulence more smoothly than trained pilots. During emergency simulations, like engine failure, it reacted up to 50 times faster than humans. It's trained on millions of flight hours, including rare emergencies most pilots never experience. No fatigue, no hesitation, just perfect decision-making. Will AI replace pilots? Not yet, but AI copilots are coming. Systems that can take over instantly when something goes wrong, making flying safer than ever. So, would you trust a plane flown by AI? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.